My name is Frank Gargiulo. I'm with HHSDR Architects and Engineers in Sharon and Pittsburgh. HHSDR was established in 1953 in Sharon. We have 33 architects, engineers, specification writer, interior designers, construction specialists. And what we do is we all work together to develop intellectual property. We develop the plans and specifications to help buildings get built or renovated. My job at HHSDR entails driving business to our company. And so I go out and I meet with clients and try to understand what their building needs are. Do they need handicap accessible improvements to their building? Do they need a parking lot expansion? Are they looking to repurpose a room that used to serve one set of tasks and now they need to change it completely over to serve another set of tasks? So our clients are mainly in education. We serve the K-12 market. We serve higher education. We serve training schools. We also do private office work as well. And we do municipal work such as municipal buildings, wastewater treatment plant improvements. Speaking for myself, I was an undergrad geography major and with a master's in urban and regional planning. It's a lot of learning about research techniques, communications. My career path then veered more into marketing and sales and business development. So it's meeting people, going out to trade shows, putting together publications, reports, studies, really finding all the different ways to serve what the client's needs are. Then the designers here, we have architects. So typically an architect goes to college and gets a 4-year degree to start. They intern during the summers to get valuable on-the-job experience and training. Typically they finish a 5th year, perhaps even a 6th year, depending on if they have studied overseas or if they do a protracted internship. But they're really master's level graduates are architects. And then they study to get registered as a professional architect. So that's a test that they have to sit for. Engineering, we have structural engineers on staff here, as well as site engineers, civil engineers. They have a similar career path. In their case, they may go to school for 2 years and then have many, many years of experience, or they may have a 4-year degree and a lesser amount of experience. But that balance of education and experience then leads to sitting down and training, studying for the registered professional engineer exam. Now, in the case of the engineers, they need to go to a school that's ABET accredited, Accreditation Board for Engineering and Technology. And so an ABET accredited school leads then to the potential of them studying for the test to be registered as a professional engineer. We have a specification writer. She is a former architect herself, designer. She's LEED certified. She's certified by the Council for Construction Specifications, CCS. And again, she's a listener. She's a researcher. She helps the architects put together documents that are then bid to the construction contractors. These are specification books this thick on a typical project that detail all of the information that's needed for that building to get built. We have interior designers. We have a lady from Kent, another gentleman from Youngstown State and Kent, and they do what you see when you walk into a building: the colors, the wall finishes, the floor finishes, the carpeting, furnishings. They pull it all together from the inside, whereas the architect is the overseer of all of that construction process from the ground up, and the structural, they're the folks who get the least amount of credit, but probably have the most important job, because they're needing to ensure that the building remains standing. People that we look for, yes, you have to be technically proficient, you have to have that degree, you have to have that training, because it won't open doors for you if you don't achieve those goals. But you also, to really be successful and to really grow, you have to have those interpersonal skills. We're always looking for new talent in our Sharon and Pittsburgh offices. If you want to learn more about our firm, visit us on the web at hhsdr.com.